You have forget your phone in somewhere. It can be in your room, in the kitchen, in your friend's house, I don't know. And after you find your phone, you realize that someone has checked your phone's files and you don't know who. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can know who even tried to draw the pattern or the password, but they failed. So let's go. Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can protect your phone and get the picture of anyone who has tried to draw the pattern or the password in your phone. First of all guys, you will go to Play Store or you will find the link in the description. You can click on it, then install it. After that, open it. Here it's asking you for permissions. And here guys, you have to read this carefully, and after you read it, click here, I understand, then grant device admin. Click activate, then click here. Now if you guys want to view an Intruder in case of a lost or stolen your phone, you can send Intruder pictures to your Google Drive by clicking here, sign in with Google account. I will skip it. Now after that guys, go to settings. Now here you can choose the number of pictures to lie. I will keep this, okay. Here number of pictures. These pictures will be taken once someone try to draw the pattern or the password. I will choose 4, as you can see here guys. Now click here if you want to get notifications. And here save to gallery. We can save these photos or pictures to Google Drive too. And here max of pictures, I will keep it 0. Okay, now what we will do, we'll turn off the phone and draw the pattern. I can't record this, but I will do this as an example for you guys. I will draw wrong pattern so you can see the pictures. As you can see here guys, this is my pictures. So that's it guys, I really hope that you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next one. Have a good day.